and welcome back. This move is a bra removal move that you do while you're still wearing your shirt. So this move is a lot of fun, but you have to have the right shirt. You need to have a tank top style shirt. So if it has sleeves or if you're wearing a dress, this move isn't as easy to do. So you're looking for something that's very similar to a tank top. And you're wearing a back closure strapped bra. So go ahead and add those two pieces onto your body and we will get started. Now, of course, most women can take their bras off underneath their shirt, but we're doing this move to make it look sexy and part of our dance. So the first thing you're going to do is reach from underneath the back of your shirt and under your bra. You're doing this facing away from your partner. From here, just like the cross your heart bra move, you're gonna cross your arms in front and grab onto the straps so that the nails on your pointer finger are touching your skin and your thumbnail is facing away from your body. From here, the 4 nails are gonna scratch your skin and move under the strap, and then you're going to open your hands wide, like you're high-fiving the ceiling. Keep your hands wide here. You want to pull the strap away from your body. By keeping your hands wide, you're going to be able to move your hands down, around and over the elbows, and then through, just like cross your heart, until your arms have been fully pulled out of the bra. From here, with a wide stance, we're going to bend over, just a little stripper bend here, and then take your dominant hand underneath your shirt while grabbing the bottom of your shirt with the other hand. Reach up, grab the bra, and pull out. We're gonna give a little dangle here to our partner and then toss it away. From here, you can go on to another set of moves or continue removing your clothes. That looks great, gals. So keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.